Hi everybody! For today's cook-along we're going to show you how to make apple and raisin flapjacks. They're perfect for snacks or puddings after tea.
You will need 1 apple, peeled, core removed and grated, ½ cup running honey, 3/4 cup of butter, 3 3/4 cup of oats, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ cup of brown sugar and ½ cup of raisins. Pour the honey, sugar and butter into a saucepan and heat gently until melted. Once melted, allow to cool slightly whilst you mix the rest of the ingredients together. Place the oats and cinnamon into a mixing bowl and mix. Add the raisins and the grated apple and mix well using a spoon or your hands. An adult can now add the melted honey, sugar and butter mixture. Mix with a spoon until all the oats and fruit are coated. Spoon this mixture into a lined baking tray and spread out into the corners and flatten with the back of a spoon. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius, gas mark 5, for 20 minutes until golden. Once baked, allow to cool fully in the tin to become solid. Once cooled, cut into portions and share together. They would work well in lunchboxes too.